Today I wanted to talk about some deals that you can find on Leatherman's at Costco and take a quick look at what they have currently at Costco to see if maybe it's something you might be interested in. So this started several years ago. I wanted to put together kits for each of our cars. I wanted a multi-tool to put in each. And at that time, Costco had this Leatherman Bolster on sale for something like $40, which was a fairly good deal. So I picked up 3 of those, and I've had those in my cars ever since, and they've definitely come in handy multiple times. And if you think last year, Costco had the Leatherman Skeletal in a pack like the Rev here for around $40 again. And this one came with the Skeletal and the Skeleknife, which the Skeletal has fewer features, but again, it is a lightweight option. And for what it has, I think it's a pretty good option. And so I picked up one of these to put into one of my toolkits that I use. And I was getting ready to put together a new toolkit, and I saw that Costco had this Rev on sale, and it was actually on clearance for $29.95 or $97, whatever the Costco price is that they put it when it's on clearance. So I went ahead and picked up one to put together into another kit that I am putting together. So I wanted to open it up and see what you get for your money, and maybe it's a good value and you want to get one for yourself next time you're at Costco. Now, the one tool that this came with was a package opener, which I thought was interesting. So I was interested in seeing what was inside the package opener. So let's start with getting the tool out. Okay. Well, the first thing I do notice is it's just about the same weight as the Bolster. And if you look at the design, it's very similar. And I think the Bolster has been discontinued because I didn't see it on Leatherman's website as one of the ones that was for sale. And it seems that this Rev is the replacement for it. And it has a couple additional and new tools that the Bolster doesn't have. So we just take a quick look at the features that the Rev comes with is the needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, hard wire cutters, 420 HC knife, a wood and metal file, a package opener, which is the one that I was interested in, screwdriver, small flathead, medium flathead, a Phillips screwdriver, a ruler, a bottle opener, can opener, and a wire stripper. And of course it comes with the sleeve. And it does say that it is made in the USA with US and global parts. So that's nice. One of the things I've noticed is that the Bolster and this Rev only have a knife that's accessible on the outside. And it is a locking blade. The other thing I did notice is that the pliers are not spring loaded like they are on the Bolster. Let's see if we can find the package opener and give that a try. And none of the other tools, I guess they do. No, they don't lock. Let's go ahead and give that a try and see how that works. Okay, that is pretty nice. Kind of slides right through that. So that package opener does work really well. So that might be my new option of what to get. But you're also going to get a small ruler with a file on one side, and I'm guessing that's the small flathead screwdriver there. And then you have your bottle combination can opener. That side. On the other side, you're going to have your medium flathead, wire stripper, and 2-dimensional Phillips. And then obviously you have your hard wire, regular wire cutters, regular pliers, and needle nose pliers. It does also come with a pocket clip. And so for $29, I think that was a pretty good value. So next time you're at Costco and are looking for a Leatherman, if you want to put together some other kits, or if you're looking for that, that might be a good place to look for a good value. If you'd like to watch some of my other reviews, please watch this playlist here.